Las Vegas. This week in the frame shop, our designer is Alex and Abby from Southern Land Company, and they have a mid-rise multifamily project in Las Vegas. Their first concept was a metal dimensional street map of Las Vegas, and they sent me this inspiration picture. Now, I took one look at that and was like, ooh, I don't know. We tried real hard to sell them on a different design, and here's what that looks like. Now, I really like the Showgirl wallpaper, but that was a no-go, so we were back to the map. First step was to find a vector file map of Las Vegas, and we actually managed to do that. I was a little surprised, but we found one that would scale. This is a very large map. It is 7 feet wide and 14 feet high. So we found the file that we needed. Next, we needed to decide on what kind of material to use. And we found some 1/2-inch black MDF, which is black all the way through, so we don't have to paint it. So that was a real bonus. Next, we took this to our CNC vendor, and we had to cut this piece into sections. So it's 14 feet high, so we made it into 8 42-inch square pieces. And lastly, we had to take out all of the streets that were 3/16 inch or less because they were just too narrow and delicate to cut. They would break off easily. So after we did all of that work, this is our final design. This is going to be a difficult installation because these pieces are mounting on standoff, so they will stand off of the wall about 1 inch. That will create a nice shadow behind it. So the installation is going to be a little complicated. We printed a full-size installation template on paper, and then to make sure that it was exactly perfect, we laid the paper and the pieces out on the floor. That's what this looks like. So after we confirmed that everything was just perfect, we put it all in a custom crate and sent it off. In addition, I made a second video just for the installers. And this is going to be kind of complicated, and so I wanted to make sure that they understood exactly how to do it. We're supplying all of the special hardware and the template, so I made an instructional video for the installers. And this is kind of the thing and the details that we try to do here so that your installs go smooth and seamlessly. All right, so that's our project. Please like and subscribe. Bring us your big, unusual art pieces. We can handle it, and I'll see you next time in the frame shop.